Hello, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti Whitley and I am a licensed broker in the state of Missouri and Michigan, and today I am back with another helpful life insurance video. Today I want to talk about something really crucial as it pertains to final expense insurance, aka permanent life insurance, and especially when it comes to our lovely clients that are on Social Security / disability, and that is Social Security billing, right? So I want to paint a picture for you. Typically when you interact with clients that are on Social Security, they are on a fixed income. So that means they are very limited in the things that they are able to do. And there's a lot of balancing acts going on with bills and groceries and medications and things like that. A lot of times these people are retired or they're just unable to work, and so I guess effectively retired. But either way, right? A lot of times when I encounter clients like that, they desperately want the life insurance. Most of my clients that I encounter like that are usually 55 plus. And so in that case, they most often qualify for final expense type insurance. And when you're on a limited income like that, from experience, I have family members who are on Social Security. It's rough. You're living paycheck to paycheck, and sometimes you're robbing Peter to pay Paul. Let's be so real. And when you take that into consideration as an agent, you want to set up your families, your clients, with their best options to be covered, right? Because the best policies are the ones that cover, are the ones that pay out. And a lot of times people want to be covered, but they don't feel like they can afford it on their income. So one of the ways that you can avoid kind of having to worry about it is sometimes that's not the case. Sometimes they're on Social Security and they can afford it, but they are forgetful, right? Which a lot of us are. And so one of the great ways that we can prevent people from forgetting about their policy and having it lapse over is Social Security billing or true Social Security billing, right? And there is a difference between the two. So if you're watching this as a consumer, then make sure you ask, if you're on Social Security, ask your agent, hey, do you guys offer this? Because this form of billing will draft your premium payment on the day your Social Security hits, right? So it's like an automatic payment thing. And I like that because not only does it keep the policies in force for longer, prospectively forever, but it also helps you to be able to set and forget things, right? So that just ensures that off the top, your life insurance comes first. Now the difference between Social Security billing and true Social Security billing is really important, especially to you as the agent. With Social Security billing, it follows generally the calendar that Social Security Administration uses to pay out generally. But if your client's draft date comes out on a weekend or a holiday, they won't draft the payment until after that weekend, and so that leaves a little extra wiggle room for, the funds to not be there, right? Because again, that tight budget situation. True Social Security billing, however, it will draft on that payment date every time, like clockwork. And in some cases for Social Security payments, if the day for Social Security to pay out falls on a weekend or a holiday, they'll get paid before. So if the first or the third hits on Saturday and on a Saturday or a Sunday, something like that, they'll be paid on that Friday, right? So if Friday is the first, right, Saturday is the second, Sunday is the third. Okay, so if they're set to get paid on the third, then they'll actually get paid on the first because their payday falls on the weekend. And so if they set up true Social Security billing, then that payment would come out on the first with all of their other regular things. And so that's something you want to ask about as a client to make sure that you can continue to have your life insurance coverage if it's one of those things that's really invaluable and super important to you. And as the agent, that's how you can kind of set things up with your client to make sure that their policy doesn't lapse and that, you know, they're covered. But okay, that was a quicker video than I expected it to be. I didn't have a whole tangent to go on about Social Security billing, but it's one of those things that pops up every now and again in my career, and so I wanted to share that info with you guys. It is cold in Missouri and it's messing with my voice. I am going to go drink some warm tea and I'm going to get on the phone with my wonderful families, but hopefully this was helpful and I will catch you guys in the next video. Stay blessed, everybody.